Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. So guys, we are going to be making these green leaves. Yeah, so I just went to the Afro store yesterday and I found this green leaf. So it's not common here in Europe, so I decided to to get it. So I'm going to be making it with, I have nyam here and some plantain. So this is my plantain. So this is what I'm going to be eating it with. So I'm going to take you guys along. So let's just do it together. So what I'm going to, first of all, I'm just going to try to soak this leaf. No, I think I'm going to cut it before soaking it because I think it's drying off. Look at it. It's drying off. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my tomatoes. I'm just going to be adding it, allow it to. I'm also going to be adding my fresh pepper in there. I'm going to add a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning. I added this fish now because the fish, they are frozen, so I want it to defrost. And I'm also going to be adding my vegetable in there. Hey guys, it's ready. It's ready. It tastes so delicious and tasty. Yeah. See you guys on my next video.